news coming in. Gyanesh Kumar has been named as the new Chief Election Commissioner of the country. The announcement comes after drama unfolded post the meeting to decide the new Chief Election Commissioner yesterday. And the announcement comes shortly after this meeting of the election committee comprising of the Prime Minister, Union Home Minister and also LOP, that is Rahul Gandhi, where the Congress leader, as we are learning, had given a note of dissent. Congress had urged the central government to defer the selection of the CEC, citing the Supreme Court upcoming hearing on the plea challenging the central government's new law that replaces Chief Justice with the Home Minister in the selection panel for the top poll body official. Now, Congress has Congress has put forth by the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, during the meeting of the selection panel chaired by Prime Minister. And according to the sources, Rahul Gandhi presented a dissent note during the meeting, claiming that the composition of the current committee violates the Supreme Court order on the matter. It also claimed that the government wants only control but not credibility. Well, going across to my colleague Sabyasachi, who joins us live on the broadcast with more details. Sabyasachi, this crucial meeting took place yesterday and we have a Chief Election Commissioner now. But as far as Congress party is concerned, yesterday Rahul Gandhi gave a dissent note. He said that the government wants control and not credibility, and also seeking the deferment of the selection of the Chief Election Commissioner. But now we have Gyanesh Kumar as the Chief Election Commissioner. Take us through what the Congress had said yesterday.
Well, that's right. The Gyanesh Kumar has been appointed as the new Chief Election Commissioner of the country. See, something about Gyanesh Kumar, he belongs to the 1988 IAS cadre from the state of Kerala. Now, he was one of the member in the Home Ministry when the draft was being prepared to scrap Article 370. Now, the Congress party and Mr. Rahul Gandhi, who was part of the selection committee, the primary objection that was raised by Mr. Rahul Gandhi was on the composition of the selection committee. Now, Mr. Rahul Gandhi said that with the Chief Justice of India not being in the selection committee, the entire panel is loop-sided and the control will be on the ruling party. Now, Mr. Rahul Gandhi also raised concerns that with the Chief Justice of India not being in the panel, it will create an imbalance, and also it will question the credibility and also create problem as the independence of the Chief Election Commissioner. Now, Mr. Rahul Gandhi also requested that the selection should be delayed because the matter is there in the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court is going to hear a petition that has been filed on the law that has been formed on the selection of the Chief Election Commissioner. Now, as per the government sources tell us that the position of the Chief Election Commissioner cannot be left vacant, and as per the rules, the court has not stayed on the appointment of the Chief Election Commissioner, and the due legal process and the advice has been taken before going ahead. Now, Mr. Rahul Gandhi also has given a decent note in writing questioning the credibility of the Chief Election Commissioner as well as the entire selection process. So this has been one of the most contention point that the Congress party and the opposition has been continuously raising.
Well, absolutely, Sabyasachi. Stay on with us. Let's tell the viewers about the selection of the Chief Election Commissioner. In fact, in March 2023, the Supreme Court had ruled that Chief Election Commissioner would be appointed on the advice of the committee that would consist of Prime Minister, Leader of Opposition in Lok Sabha and Chief Justice. However, this order was intended to remain in effect until the government enacted a new law on this issue. Now, after that, the government brought the Chief Election Commissioner and other Election Commissioner Act 2023, that is last year, replacing the Chief Justice with the Home Minister. Now, this law has been challenged in the Supreme Court, and the hearing on this matter will take place tomorrow on February 19th. Listen in to the war of words over the appointment of the new CEC.
मैं समझता हूं कि by removing or trying to keep the Chief Justice out of the appointment process as an independent entity, the government has made it clear they want only control but not credibility. And the most important thing for the EC is credibility.
यही बात तो अभी अभिषेक जी ने बड़े विस्तार से बताया है और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट इसका संज्ञान ले रहा है, एक्टिव संज्ञान ले रहा है, 19 तारीख को 48 घंटे के अंदर अंदर उसने इसके ऊपर संज्ञान लेकर के कुछ फैसला सुनाना है, तो क्या ये सरकार 48 घंटे भी वेट नहीं कर सकती थी?
Now let's tell you more about the selection process of the Chief Election Commissioner and what has changed in the recent time. Now, as far as the appointment of the CEC concerned, let's tell you that earlier the part of the panel was the Prime Minister, the LOP and the Chief Justice of India. But later there was a law that was brought in and that entire procedure was changed. Instead of the Chief Justice of India, as we told you, that it would be now the Home Minister, that is Amit Shah, who would be part of the panel. So parliamentary law did not govern the appointment of the Chief Election Commissioner. President appointed based on the Prime Minister's recommendation, senior most election commissioner elevated to the chief election as a Chief Election Commissioner. Now, as far as seniority is concerned, it is determined by the tenure of the election commissioner is what we are learning. This is as far as the selection of the Chief Election Commissioner is concerned, and there's a whole lot of politics that is happening over it, with the Congress party saying that the government does not want any sort of credibility. They want control over the appointment of the CEC. And as we know, last night the CEC has been appointed. In fact, as we were telling you, this has been challenged in the Supreme Court, and the hearing will in fact take place tomorrow. Now, moving